Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to replace turn indicator light bulb in BMW 5 Series GT, F10, F11 and F07 in 7 simple steps. First, you have to turn the steering wheel counterclockwise to create more space behind the right wheel. If you want to replace it from the left headlight, then you have to turn the steering wheel clockwise. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Then you have access at that plastic cap from the wheel arch. The next step is to remove those two bolts using a Phillips screwdriver. Then take it down, or you can take it out, and now you can have access behind the headlight and you can replace the turn signal light bulb. You have to remove that plastic cap that is indicated with a red arrow. We remove the headlight to show you to see more clearly. You can replace it with the headlight on the car. First, remove that small round plastic cap from the right side of the headlight, turning it counterclockwise. Now you can see there is a PY24W light bulb used for BMW 5 Series F10, F11 and F07 that you can find it in the video description below. You also can replace it with a LED light bulb, PY24W light bulb. Then take the light bulb out, twisting it clockwise. Then take the new light bulb and place it on the bulb holder. And then place back the bulb holder and twist it clockwise. Then place back the plastic cap and put those two bolts back. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.